Hey, are you wondering how to record a video on Zoom and how to be not a boomer anymore? Because this is so easy and simple tutorial. Even the tutorial is below 2 minutes. So let me show you how, and to have no problem with that anymore. So first let's start a new meeting, just to say it's working on your meeting, on others meeting too, if the other people host allows you to record. If not, it's not working, but in your meeting it's working 100%. So let's start a new meeting. Let's wait, join with the computer audio, and then if you're on PC, there will be this button, record cycle, right? And it's next to the share screen, the green one, and when you click it, as you can see, it starts recording. And here, from here, you can pause it and you can start it. Pause, start, pause, start. Yeah. And if you want the video to stop recording, just click the rectangle here and you stop the recording. And as you can see, it appears a message that says us the recorded file will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. That means we have to end the meeting if you want to see the video that we recorded, just recorded. So we end the video and just wait, and it appears this folder here, and here's our video. Let's see it. As you can see, it starts recording, and here, from here, you can end, you can start it. Stop. Oh, yeah, and that's the video. You can share with everyone you want. If you want, use it for yourself, and that's all. You're not a boomer anymore. You can record everything you want. You can throw, and you can take pictures and videos of your friends, and yeah, that's all. If I helped you out, make sure give a like and see you next video. Bye.